True meaning of feminism. Let me get you into the definition of feminism. It means social, political, and economical equal opportunities and right for women just as men. Now, I will take you to three different scenes after which I'll explain you each term with the help of the scene. So here comes the scene number one. A woman gets booked by a police traffic and she's been asked to keep her vehicle aside, and this is how she reacts to the traffic policeman. So I'm really sorry. I have got a kid at home and then I have to present very big presentation at office. Can you just please for one time leave me? As a female, you know how many responsibilities do we have and we are always overburdened. Can you just for one last time leave me, sir? This is I promise you that this is going to be the first and last time. And then as a result, the traffic policeman sets her free without booking any charges against her. Surprising fact, she was not even married. Far-fetched as the kid thing. So this particular incident will introduce the term called as pseudo-feminism. Pseudo-feminism is a distorted concept of feminism wherein female use this feminist perspective and they misuse it, which eventually results in harming innocent individuals. This particular term pseudo feminism is again a misconception. It's highly replaced. The feminism is replaced with the pseudo feminism in at very large scale. Now scene 2, wherein Shania is born to a palace. Her family owns a palace and she wants to pursue a stockbroking course after she turns 18, but her father doesn't agree to it. Then she requests her mom that please can you just go on my behalf and try to convince dad once. And here's how the mom went to the father. I understand that you have different plans for Shania, but she's not saying no to marriage. Can you allow her for once? She's just asking 3 years of time wherein she can pursue the dream of her life. Father, how dare you think like that? She is a born princess. She is going to go where she belongs, and that is another palace. I am not let her go outside and struggle for a job and then a career. What do you think? Entire hierarchies for what? For our women to go out and do a job and pursue their dream. They call it dream. They call slavery as a dream. Shania is going to get married the very next month, and has to be no discussion post this period. And then what the mother says? Okay, as you say, whatever you are going to decide is going to be the final decision as you're the head of the family. This term, my friend, is called as patriarchy, where in a social system, men tends to have more power than women. Scene number 3. Here, there is a female named Natasha, decided to lead her life independently, chose not to marry, not to have kids. And she runs a social circle, a community of female, wherein she tells them about women equality, women rights, and what are the opportunities available for you guys to help them out with the intention to help only. Now, I saw one of the recording from her social circle meeting, which goes like this. You know what, girls? This is our time. We are here to crush down men. This is our era. Like, we need to be put on a pedestal, and nobody can change that for us. We are there to prove that men are wrong, that men needs to be sabotaged like that. She was giving a hatred-filled speech. This particular scenario, wherein she's all about against man, she's almost making an army ready so that they can go out and crush down men. This particular term is called as matriarchy, wherein in a social system, women is having more power than men. Now coming back to the real meaning of feminism. Here, in the contrary, the misconception feminism is not there to emasculate men or diminish their right. It is rather there to challenge the rigid gender roles, the stereotypes, so that all men and women can have equal opportunity and they are not limited by their role. By embracing feminism, men will also get an opportunity to get involved into more nurturing field, more caregiving roles without any stigma. Nowadays, if you're going to go and see a man being more empathetic towards kids or towards wife, you might start calling them with slangs. Rather, it should be an adaptable situation for both the people, an adaptable environment for both. Now, feminism is not a threat, rather, it's a beacon of hope for a more just and equitable society. And it is all the game of freedom of choice. It is my choice if I would like to be a corporate doer. It is my choice if I would like to be a housewife, or it is my choice to be both. This freedom of choice, feminism stands for freedom of choice that should lie with women, unaltered, unfiltered, and uninfluenced. What feminism truly means in its essence and in its truest form. It is not there to diminish anyone, but to empower all individuals equally. Thank you so much.